Hello students, today we are going to study about Roman system of numeration as we have some objectives. So after completion of video, the students will be able to learn how to write different Roman numbers and their symbols, understand the rules of writing Roman numerals, write counting from 1 to 100 in Roman numerals, and solve questions related to Roman numerals. Let us talk about brief history of Roman numerals. Roman numerals originated, as the name might suggest, in ancient Rome. There are 7 basic symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the letters of the English alphabet. The first usage of symbols began showing up between 900 and 800 BC. The numerals developed out of need for common method of counting essential to communications and trade. The Roman numerals do not have any symbol to denote zero, so they deal with natural numbers only. Now you might observe some examples from daily life where Roman numerals are used. You might have seen the following type of clock. Here, as you see, that instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have Roman numerals to represent these numbers. You might have also observed class levels in your school be labeled as class 6 using Romans and class 9 B using Romans. So most of the classes are labeled with the help of Roman numerals. And in a market you might have observed that clothes also have the sizes which look like Roman numerals, for example XL, L. But make note that they are not related to Roman numerals. XL is just a short form for extra large and L is for large size. Now let us talk about Roman numerals. Basic symbols are as follows. We have M, D, C, L, X, V and I. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. In order to learn this, we have a learning aid, Medical Xavier. So these are two words, medical and Xavier, which can be remembered for learning M, D, C, L, X, V, I. So it has M, D, C, L, X, V, I. I stands for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Rules for writing Roman numerals. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, if I is repeated 2 times, it means 2. If X is repeated 2 times, it is 20. If I is repeated 3 times, it represents 3. If X, which represents 10, is repeated 3 times, it becomes 30. And C, which represents 100, if repeated 2 times becomes 200, and if repeated 3 times become 300. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. For example, VV is not representing 10, as it may be the case according to rule 1, but VV cannot be repeated. However, for 10 we have a separate symbol X. Similarly, LL does not represent 100. We have a separate symbol for this, that is C, and DD does not represent 1000. It is represented by M. So V, L and D are never repeated. a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. As we have seen in rule 1 that the value is added as many times as it occurs, but the maximum number of times it can occur is 3. So you cannot use I 4 times to represent 4. We have a separate rule to write 4. Now next rule says, if a smaller symbol is written on the left of a symbol with greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol. For example, I represents 1 and V represents 5. So I is present in the left of 5, where 5 is the greater symbol and I is the smaller symbol. So when smaller symbol is present in the left, its value is subtracted from the bigger symbol. So V represents 5 and I represent 1. So 5 minus 1 gives you 4. So in the previous rule, as you might have seen, that we have said that a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. I cannot be used 4 times to represent 4. So the scheme for writing 4 is that it is written in the form of I to the left of V, so that it becomes 4. Similarly, I to the left of X. Now X is the larger symbol, I is the smaller symbol, so the value becomes 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. As X represents 10, I represents 1. So as I is present to the left of a larger value, so it is subtracted. So 10 minus 1 gives you 9. Similarly, XL has a value 40. How? L represents 50, X represents 10. So 10 is present to the left of larger value, so it will be subtracted. 50 minus 10 gives you 40. Similarly, XC, X represents 10, C represents 100. As X is present to the left of C, so it will be subtracted. So 100 minus 10 gives you 90. So we have seen that I can be placed before V and X to give you 4 and 9, because we subtract 1 from 5 and 10. Similarly, X is placed before L and C to give 40 and 90, because L minus X, that means 50 minus 10 gives you 40 and 100 minus 10 gives you 90. Similarly, C can be placed before D and M to make 400 and 900. As we know that D is 500 and C is 100. So CD represents 400 and CM represents 900. Next rule is, if a smaller symbol is placed to the right of the symbol with greater value, then its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. For example, opposite to the previous rule, now I is present to the right of larger symbol, so its value will be added to the larger symbol. So V represents 5, I represents 1, so 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Similarly, V represents 5, 2 I's represents 2. So both the I's are present after or in the right of larger symbol, so their values are added. Similarly, VII represents 8, because 3 I's represent 3 and V represent 5. As 3 I's are present on the right hand side of V, so their values is added. So XI represents 11, because X is 10, I is 1 and I is present on the right side of X. Similarly, XII represents 12 and XII represents 13. So as we have seen, just like before, I can be placed after V and X to make 6 and 11. X can be placed after L and C to make 60 and 110, and C can be placed after D and M to make 600 and 1100. So DC will represent 600 and MC will represent 1100. Next rule is the symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That means the value of V, L and D are never subtracted. For example, VC does not represent 95. VC is not included in Roman numerals because V is a smaller symbol, C is the larger symbol, and as it is present in the left, the rule says if it is present in the left, it has to be subtracted. But another rule says that V can never be subtracted. So in order to represent 95, we have to break 95 as 90 plus 5. As we have seen that 90 is represented by XC and 5 is represented by V. So 95 is represented by XCV. Next rule says the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. I cannot be subtracted from C or M. For example, IC does not represent 99. As I is the smaller symbol, C is the larger symbol, and I is present to the left. So the rule says its value should be subtracted. So 100 minus 1 should be 99, but IC is not included as a Roman numeral. However, in order to represent 99, we have to break it as 90 plus 9, and we have seen in the earlier example also XC represents 90 because X represents 10, C represents 100, and 10 is present to the left of larger number, so its value will be subtracted. So 100 minus 10 gives you 90, and IX represents 9 because X represents 10, I represents 1. I can only be present before V or X. So here 10 minus 1 gives you 9. So 90 plus 9 gives you 99. Hence 99, instead of being represented as IC, it is represented as XCIX. Next rule says the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. It cannot be subtracted from D. For example, XD. Here X represents 10 and D represents 500. As X is a smaller value and D is a larger value, so its value should be subtracted, but X cannot be subtracted from D. It is XD does not represent any Roman numeral. Instead, in order to form 490, we have to break it as 400 plus 90. Now 400 is represented as CD because C represents 100, D represents 500. So 500 minus 100 gives you 400, and XC, as we have seen before, represents 90. So 400 plus 90 gives us 490. Next, a symbol cannot be subtracted more than once from a particular symbol of greater value. As we have seen that a symbol may be added more than once, but it cannot be subtracted more than once. For example, we cannot repeat I before C to the left of C 2 times, as this may represent 98, but according to rule this is not a Roman symbol, so this is discarded, and in order to represent 98 we have to break it as 90 plus 8. As we have seen in earlier examples, 90 is represented by XC and 8 is represented as VIII. V represents 5 and I here is 3 times. As we can see that I can come after the larger symbol 3 times or 2 times, but it can never come before the larger symbols more than 1 time. So these were the rules. Let us start our counting from 1 to 50. So this is from 1 to 10. These are very basic. 1 represents I, 2 I, and 3 I's. As we have to represent 4, so I is placed before V, 5 is represented by V, 6 is made by placing I after V, that means to the right of V, so that the values are added. V represents 5 and I represents 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, we can repeat the value of I after the digit 2 times or 3 times, maximum 3 times. So it gives us 7 and this gives us 8. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Similarly, Ix, as I is present to the left and X represents 10, so 10 minus 1 gives us 9 and X here is 10. Similarly, XX represents 20 and triple X represents 30. However, L represents 50, so in order to write 40, we cannot use 4x. So in order to represent 40, we have to place x before L, so that value of x is subtracted from L. X represents 10, L represents 50, so 10 is subtracted from 50 to give us 40. Now in order to write 11, we have to break it as 10 plus 1. So 10 is represented by x and then I represents 1. Now just you have to add prefix x to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You will get all the numbers from 11 to 20. So as you can see, xi represents 11, xii, that means we have just added x to ii. It represents 12, 13. For 14 we have to add x in front of 4, then place x in front of 5, in front of 6, in front of 7, in front of 8, in front of 9 and in front of 10. Similarly, you just have to place double x in front of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and you will get all the digits from numbers from 21 to 29, and hence 30 is represented by repeating x 3 times. Then again from 31 to 39, what you have to do is you have to repeat the same funda, that you have to prefix 3x in front of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the counting remains as such, but just you have to do is putting 3x in front of 1 to 9. So you get numbers from 31 to 39. But yes, 40 is a change here, as you cannot write x 4 times, so you have to take the help of 50, as L represents 50, so I have to place x before L so that its value is subtracted. Hence we get 40 as XL. So from 41 to 49 has the same funda, you have to put XL before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to get numbers from 41 to 49. And yes, we have separate symbol L for 50, so we represent 50 by L. So you can also guess that from 51 to 59 we just have to do one thing, we have to put L in front of 1, 2, 3 up till 9. Let us see how is the counting from 51 to 100. So as we have said earlier, we just have to do one thing, that you have to write L in front of all the digits from 1 to 9, so you get numbers from 51 to 59. And then in order to get 60, you have to put x after L. Now as x is present, the smaller value is present after the larger value, so the values will be added. So 50 plus 10 gives us 60. Now in order to make 70, as L is 50, you have to repeat x 2 times, you get 70. In order to get 80, you have to repeat x 3 times because it gives us 30, and L represents 50. So 50 plus 30 gives us 80. Now x cannot be represented 4 times, so the rule changes. We have to take the help of C. C represents 100, so xc represents 90 because x is now present before C, that means to the left of C, so its value is subtracted. So 100 minus 10 gives you 90. Then as we have seen that Lx remains represents 60, so from 61 to 69 you just have to put Lx in front of 1 to 9. Similarly, Lxx represents 70, then just you have to do one thing, that you have to place Lxx in front of all the digits from 1 to 9. Similarly, Lxxx represents 80, so it is very simple to write from 81 to 89. You just have to place Lxxx in front of 1 to 9, and then there is a change here, as we have explained, that x should be placed before C to get us 90. So as xc represents 90, so from 91 to 99 becomes very easy, as you have to just write xc before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to give you numbers from 91 to 99. And yes, we have a dedicated symbol to represent C, so C represents 100. So students, this was the counting from 1 to 100, and it is very easy. You just have to follow some rules, and most of it is a repetitive pattern. Let us see big and bigger numbers. As C represents 100, so CC will be representing 200, CCC representing will be 300, and CD will represent 400 because we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So we have taken help of D. So C is 100, D is 500, as it is present to the left, so its value will be subtracted. So D, that is 500 minus 100, gives you 400. Similarly, if CD is 400, then DC will be 600 because now the value of C will be added to 500. So 100 plus 500 gives us 600. Similarly, DCC, D represents 500, C represents 100 2 times, that means 200. So 500 plus 200 gives us 700. Similarly, DCCC, that means C is repeated 3 times, so 500 plus 300 gives us 800, and then we have to represent 900, but we cannot repeat C more than 3 times, so we take help of M, which represents 1000. So CM means 1000 minus 100, that gives us 900. So these are the big numbers. I am mistakenly written it as bug numbers, so it is a mistake here. It is big numbers. Now the numbers greater than 1000 are formed by placing a dash over the symbol. So if we see here, it is V dash. V dash means it is the value of V is multiplied by 1000. So 5 multiplied by 1000 gives me 5000. Here 10 multiplied by 1000 gives us 10,000, is represented by X bar. Similarly, L bar is 50,000, C bar is 100,000, D bar is 500,000, and M bar represents 1000 times 1000. That means 1 is followed by 6 zeros. But yes, we do not have large questions at your level, so they are not as commonly used as the smaller numbers. Next, we have some questions based on Roman numeration. Before solving the questions, you must know what are the basic symbols. So basic symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, M, or the learning aid, medical, Xavier. So M represents 1000, D 500, C 100, L 50, X 10, V 5, and I 1. So 69. So it is an advice that in order to make Roman numerals, you just have to split or expand the number. So 69 can be broken as 60 plus 9, and 60 is further broken as 50 plus 10. and 50 is represented by L, 10 is represented by X, and 9 is represented by IX. So we have LX IX as 69. Similarly, we have 98. 98 can be broken as 90 plus 8, and 90 is represented by 100 minus 10, which is XC, and 8 is represented by VIII. So in order, in all, it becomes XCV triple I. Then 109, we have to break it as 100 plus 9. 100 is represented by C, and 9 is represented by IX. So the answer is CIX. So 786, we have to break it as 700 plus 86. 700 is broken as 500 plus 200 because we have a symbol for 500 L, and 200 we have to add 2 C's LCC. For 86 we have to break it as 80 plus 6. For 80 it is broken as 50 plus 30. So 50 is represented as L, and followed by 3 tenths. So LXXX represents 80, as we have seen earlier in the counting from 1 to 100. So 6 is represented by VI. So DCC here is 700, LXXX is 80, and VI represents 6. So DCC LXXX VI is 786. 1298. So as you know that 1000 represents M, so it is broken as 1000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 8. So to represent 200 we have 2 cc's. So MCC represents 1200. 90 we have, for 90 we have XC. For 8 we have VIII. So this represents 98 because XC is 90, VII is 8. So 1298 is written as MCC, that is 1200, XCVIII, that means 98. So 1298. 2018. So 2018 is broken as 2000 plus 18. As we repeat M 2 times, it becomes 2000, and 8, as we have seen earlier, it's XV triple I. So it is written wrongly here. Here it should be triple I. So the answer is MMXV triple I. Please viewers, you must pay attention that here it should be triple I instead of 2 I's. So it is wrongly written as 2 I's. It should be triple I. Now the assignment, you have to represent following numbers in Roman numerals, that is 129, 145, 168, 215, 269, 2020 and 1498. Students, you have to post your answers on my personal WhatsApp number, that is 78373 and please subscribe to the channel for updated content and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.